Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prep my natural hair before I got these knotless braids installed that I have been loving. So let's get started. Alright, welcome to my shower. I think sometimes these videos are a little awkward, but this is an easy way to show how I wash my hair and how I prep it. So let's go. I'm starting off with the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. And I decided to go with the shampoo and the conditioner just because when you're getting your hair prepped for any type of protective styling, you want to make sure that your hair is as hydrated and moisturized as possible. And I also love with this shampoo, you can get a really nice lather. It doesn't dry my hair out and it makes my scalp nice and clean. That's also really, really important. So after I rinse it out of my hair, I'm then going to be going in with the hydrating conditioner. This has avocado oil and shea butter. Again, I did love this conditioner a lot. Very easy to detangle my hair. It's easy to glide through my hair. I just want to make sure that when I'm detangling that I do take my time, and I want to make sure I get all of the knots and make sure that my hair is as hydrated as possible. And that's one of the reasons why I really love this conditioner. It's super moisturizing on my hair, and I just love avocado, and avocado is so great. It gives your hair such proper nutrients. So after the conditioner, I'm going to be going in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with Manuka and Refer Oil. You guys know how much I love this deep conditioner. Since my hair is going to be protected for a little while, I want to make sure that my hair is extremely moisturized. This is my go-to deep conditioner. I love it because it packs on the moisture. It makes my hair so freaking soft, and it is just so easy to detangle through my hair. And I know when I get done using this product that my hair is going to be so moisturized, guys. Like, if you need a deep conditioner, I highly recommend that Shea Moisture one. But I also make sure that I detangle really well with my wide tooth comb, and I put a lot on it. So it may not look like I have a lot on here, but it's a lot. Then I'm going to put on my cap, and I'm going to sit for about 30 minutes under my dryer. So after we let my hair sit and my hair is washed now, I'm going to be going in with the Acai Brazilian Oil. I'm going to go in with the Mizani Therma Smooth Guard, and I'm also going to be using the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Oil. So I'm loading those products on my hair because I want to make sure, again, I cannot stress enough how much you need to moisturize your hair before you have a protective style. So I put all of those on each section of my hair, on each 4 sections, and I applied all of those oils just to make sure that my hair was nice and hydrated. They're going to be sleeping for a little bit. My curls are going to be tucked away, so I just want to make sure they're nice and hydrated. So I'm going to do that before I go in with my blow drying. So you guys know how much I freaking love my other blow dryer, but I went with my regular one because I wanted to do the tension method and I needed direct heat to it, and I did not want to blow dry it, kind of because I've been blow drying my hair a lot lately. So I wanted to use the tension method because I get a better stretch. You want to make sure that your hair is stretched as possible for the hairdresser or the braider when they are doing your hair, so they can grip your hair. Because my hair is a little bit longer, I want to make sure they're able to get to each strand of my hair so my hair will come out great. So this is one section of my hair that's done. I'm going to do the other sections and my hair is all completed. I love using the tension method because it gets my hair really straight. If you do not know about the tension method, I think I have a video that I might link. If not, I can do a video to show you, but I love doing this method because it's just an easy way to not damage the hair, and those oils I put in beforehand is going to be a great barrier as well while my hair is protected. So right now my hair is really moisturized. I loved how it felt at this point. So now I'm just going to apply 2 big flat twists going down because I recorded this the night before because I actually had to drive home. It's an hour away from where I live in Charlotte, so I'm going to apply my flat twist going down because I'm going to protect my hair before I do go home the next day, and then I'm going to put a bonnet over my hair as well. So now I am home, and this is Kiva. She is my hair braider, and whenever I go home, she is the person that I go to. She does an amazing job, you guys. So hi Kiva, I cannot wait till after I am done with my knotless braids to get my next style. This is my first time that I ever got them, but she did such a freaking phenomenal job. It took a long time, took almost 8 hours, but it's super worth it. And yeah. Hello guys, so I am back home and my hair is all complete. I am so freaking in love. My hair was really moisturized when I initially got my hair braided and I am obsessed. This is my first time ever getting knotless braids. The detail and the precision that Kiva did, she's my braidist. I went home to Winston-Salem, that's where I was born and raised, and she just did a bomb job. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys what my hair was looking like. I got knotless medium braids. It took about 7.5 hours. Barely any breaks or anything like that. I know I'm going to show a little snippet of her doing it. I wish I had better lighting. I do apologize about that, but I wanted to show you guys how I prep my hair, and I can't wait to show you guys more content regarding my braids. And I think I want to go to the hair store today and get some like little beads, little jewels on it to make it more fun and festive for the summer. I have a few little mini trips coming up at the end of this month, so I just wanted something where my hands wasn't always in my hair. And oh my gosh, they're so freaking bomb. So I'm off to take a little bit of photos, and then after that I'm gonna get a good workout in, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Like, oh my gosh, they look so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm freaking in love and I'm so happy about them. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. That does help me know that you like the content that I am posting. Thumbs up the video, and I will be back with more videos very soon. I'll see you guys. Bye.